Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to be checking out this new Raptor XL. So this is the new Raptor XL. Hustler just came out with this as part of their new Raptor lineup for the 21 model year. On this XL model, you do get the flex fork front suspension, which is kind of like a little torsion axle. Really helps soak up bumps and stuff if you've got a rough yard, so that's a really nice upgrade. You also get the FR651, which is a 21.5 horse engine, so you get just a little bit more horsepower when you get this XL. Some of the key features for the Raptor X and XL models is they went to this new tube style frame. So this is an 1.5 by 3-inch tubing that goes all the way around the back of the machine. Really helps make these a lot more rigid frame that's going to take care of any flexing issues. So they did go with a 4.5-inch deep deck on these, which having that deeper deck helps it be able to handle more volume of grass. So you can cut thicker grass at a faster speed with these. It is an 11-gauge welded fabricated deck. They also added a 7-gauge thick doubler where the actual spindle bolts through the deck to kind of help make that a more solid mount. They did go with quite a bit beefier spindle on these as well compared to what the Raptors had before. These also come with the Hydrogear ZT2200 series hydrostat, which is a non-serviceable hydrostat. These also come with the FR series engine from Kawasaki. Depending on what deck size you get is going to determine what engine option you'll have. The decks on these are available in a 42 and a 54-inch deck. These do come with a 3-gallon fuel tank that's underneath of the seat on them. A foot-operated deck lift system. They've got a magnetic pin here that just drops down into whatever height setting you want. These do go from 1.5 up to 4.5 in 1/4-inch increments. So they give you more adjustment settings compared to what the Raptor used to have. The parking brake that is built into the levers, so when the levers are out, the parking brake's set, you pull the levers in, it takes that parking brake off automatically. So really nice feature that makes it a lot easier when you're just jumping on and off of this machine. The control panel on these, really simple to operate. You've got your ignition switch, your throttle, your choke, and your PTO switch. An hour meter on them as well. Hustler does give these a 3-year, 300-hour warranty. These machines do come with the Big Bite tires on the back, which is a really nice tire. It's got more tread to it to just give you a little bit more traction. These are an 18-inch tall tire on the Raptor X and XL model. They did upgrade the belt covers on these as well, so they do have the ported belt covers at the bottom, which helps keep that grass from getting packed in underneath of that cover and make it easier to clean out. So a couple of things that I didn't like about this machine is just like on the Raptor XD, the steering is just a little bit more twitchy than what I would like to see. I wish that they would change the dampening on it just a little bit to make it a little bit smoother. Also the seat on these is the exact same seat that they're putting on the XD. So I'd like to see that seat with just a little bit more padding to make it a little more comfortable. These do come with the removable foot pan. There's just one bolt that you take out in the middle here, and this foot pan comes up and off. So that's really nice to help you when you need to get access to the center of the deck, if you've got a pulley or a spindle or something that you need to get to. Really nice feature there. And then they did put the rubber mat on top of it, which I think kind of helps with some vibration and that operator comfort. These do come with the engine guard on the rear as well that are really nice to help protect that engine, just keep you from backing into something and potentially causing damage to your engine. So these machines were really designed to fit into that 1/2 acre to 1 acre per week area. So if you're a homeowner, you know, with a small yard, I think this is really going to be a good fit for you. So if you're interested in a machine like this, go to your local dealer and see if they've got one that you can drive or you know, a demo that you can go test out. I think you're really going to be impressed with these new models. If you guys got some good value out of this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Really helps my channel out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.